Well, that's the thing that's making me hot water for my breakfast and my coffee. Hopefully the wind doesn't pick up too much. Let's do ducks. This is Canobe Lake. What's that? Not Canobe Pond. I was caribou hunting. Didn't see any caribou. Saw a few minutes. I haven't seen any fish yet. It says it stopped. I have my fishing pole in there, so after this comes to a boil, I'm gonna you can see the flame. You can hear it, but you can't see it. My dad has one. I was like, maybe I'll get one with a closer, but they're only like $29 on Amazon or Walmart. So I said, might as well get one. Pretty energy efficient. It cools down pretty fast. So you can put it back in the box. And I bought that pot and pan for $30 too. So just out Tuesday. I think it's September 5 now. Making coffee. Insta coffee. Or sticker. Plummet. And this is the hash. I'm going to open it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Enjoy Mother Nature in Alaska. By Sheep Mountain. Not Sheep Mountain. And there's AT&T Tower, which I am uploading this video on AT&T Tower. Thank you. Have a good day.